it's Sal Governale, Big Meal, Small Places. Today we're making Sal's Italian roasted chicken. My own personal recipe. Check it out, you're gonna love it. And if you do love it, be sure to look below and press that subscribe button. It's my Italian roasted chicken with chicken stock, white wine, and Italian herbs. One quick tip before we start cooking, and believe me, you're going to love me for this. I highly recommend getting a good digital thermometer. Now, it's 15 minutes per pound when you cook a chicken, but when you use a thermometer and you stay on top of your chicken, that ensures that you're going to get a juicy chicken. And if I'm making you an Italian chicken and you want it to be perfect, I highly recommend you use a digital thermometer. You're going to thank me for it.
In a bowl, throw in a 1/4 cup of butter and then a half a lemon squeezed in. Add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, a 1/4 cup of fresh basil, a teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of rosemary. And then a healthy tablespoon of kosher salt, cracked black pepper, about a teaspoon, and it's time for the blender. Blend that up really, really well, and then take your chicken, place it on a roasting pan, slice the skin a little bit to let the spread get in there. Spread your beautiful Italian herb spread all over the chicken. Get it perfect. And then add the potatoes. About 5 or 6 potatoes cut into wedges. Cut them any way you like. From there, add 1 cup of chicken stock and then a 1/4 cup of a good white wine over the potatoes. Get them wet. Now let's spice those potatoes up. What you're going to do is add a good sprinkle of salt. And from the salt, we're going to add some cracked black pepper all around it. Then some garlic powder. And after the garlic powder, I like to add Paprika. Give it that extra zing. Once that's done, place this chicken in the oven at 400 degrees, 15 minutes per pound, and broil it for the last 3 to 4 minutes. And there it is, Italian herb roasted chicken with potatoes, chicken stock, and white wine.